Oh, actually, my name is Prophet Razak. Yeah. Actually, I'm only here for something that maybe one might not understand. I am not here to weep with the bereaved family or Ghanaians, but I am only here as a servant of the Lord. If only the family and the people of Ghana will allow me, I'll make sure that I'll bring these people back to life. Yes, that is my mission here and nothing else here. Yes, please.
In church, among friends, live life by service.
Okay. So I am ever ready. I am throwing a challenge to the bereaved family and the good people of Ghana. If they are going to allow me, I will make sure that these 6 people will not be buried today, but rather I'll bring them back to life. Because I have what it takes to bring them back to life. Me pacho ade ba ko ni nan say huhumfo ehu ade different ana honamfo so ye den ehu ade different de akoso omu wo no enye bibia eya asode e free pani bi o ndc mu na akoso ye nya say se okoye sikadu ana so kotu anamo bi na sa de me odi for that pen na me de menim na me gina no say mencha black me she white de dia me she white ni say me min say sankofo mu ya me no ka say omo mu nduru ba bia eti me ka kire abusuafo no a o ma hia ene Ghana for my den omo ha say so on be man opportunity na sankofo me mama back to life me yen kusi omo e ba cho say me pa cho de mfa me ho tumi na me de ye adwuma e pa cho ti de me kana say you can't do me and a miracle is something that goes beyond the understanding of somebody or a man. So I'm about a miracle and your magic na me the me baby. And some say it's a adeba kwa me and say me who say omutu me who say somebody be biashi akwa tipa I can so make my mama back to life. Because adie bia ne in the realm of the spirit no and na mo bia be adie bia baby no what is start free tree into say a tree say ya and they want to me bibia ya dem fa ho me pa cho me ni problem na bisa me me pa cho omu ye na nkasa na me wa kontom kakra ba me fira kontom ba so me pa cho me call routine and they say kwa me ne kwase pani bi na frɛ me ana me ba ha sei pani ni kwa hu me na me hye white no on pa no on te ase na me ka kire se me de me gidi se nkofo no mu ye den omu mu ye me ka kire pani o minister me ka kire so ka kire rusuafo no so omo ma me kwa na me nya no se sa de wedi e den ma no and se me ametumi atu anamo ana me se da bi me de me beg am obi am boa me mpase me boa mo no ntimi ko beg obi a so me omo nkoye me tro challenge ya mom say the say edina independence square ha say no so bushafo me ti me na Ghana for be ma me kwan ya sanko 46 way me hia bibia do party na hye no mutimpo ana ye hu muti a me gina sade so na me mama ye den aba back to lab na Ghana for na be hu sampa yes kuto tumi bu so o ye den eye adwuma ya me pacho e friend me Prophet Razak Ibrahim me pacho ma sorry ye Jesus Kingdom Prayer Ministry me pacho wa kra halai ya mate
An unwavering commitment to the betterment of his country and its people. A devoted husband, a loving father of 3. He lived with humility, born on December 26, 1975.
But that's all Mexican.
That's all Brandon. When he studied criminology, later to Bulgaria for further studies. His professional career diverse and impactful. Served with a special branch, now being Afro, Northern, Upper East, and Upper West ranges. In politics, Dr. Sabon Helton was installed as a Kosovo of Cape Coast. He was tragic helicopter crash at Sikaman, Brofui. Samuel Sapon's legacy is one of selfless leadership, unwavering patriotism, and a deep love for family, community, and country. His contribution will continue to inspire generations to come. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Biography of late Sir when the call will come. It is as though tomorrow is promised. Living the sun will always rise.
I believe so. We a prayer song for all of us. I mean, in times of difficulties, we need something a bit to me. In our prayers, and then also Yamiadom. We've been able to do something, and then I think everybody should go out there and then check it from Nasi Music. Prayer. Yeah.
Blaster song.
It has. Catch we for Blackstar for Zombie Cheska. I'm on knees. I'm Cheska.
Setting into our new reality. And for the love you have for our country, we have only just a week to spend with us. Before you left, we may head you back for an extra week because she wasn't feeling well. Now I know why you of the soul telling me how your day will be and all the exciting things and places you will go. I know. I'll call you back when we are back in Accra. Love you. Those cannot be the last words you ever said to me.
We take that of course.
The pain that they're going through is not easy. This is a national thing. Let's be participant. Let's be religion aside. This is a national thing. When I heard this news, I wept. They'll say, oh, but I don't know, it's not your father, it's not your brother. No, don't even go there. You don't know tomorrow. I mean, the good names that they lived with. People say good things about them. I always say, what about you? What legacy are you leaving behind? Don't think of your age. Think of now. Build it. So when you grow up and there are things like that, you'll know things to say about you. We are really hurting. We are all mourning. The president is really mourning because it's lost great people. And what I can say is, it's about time that freedom of speech we use this. Use this. Because people think that they got the credit is for them so they can come and say anything. No matter how young you are, you grow old. Before you were born, somebody was already born. You don't know just so when you're saying anything, think of your siblings, think of your children, think of your parents, because somebody can go and look for help from somebody and you wouldn't get it because of that same name. are the floor. And when the person starts going back, or you can say something bad about my sister, about my brother, then you let your family lose great opportunities. Let's we are mourning. I can be you tomorrow. What are you say about you?
Now, there's been calls for an end to has been in the public space. We agree to the point. Do you think it's time to take drastic measures against persons who are involved in these activities?
I wouldn't like to spoil somebody. But it's the water that people are injecting. The water that is do anything with it. So my pain is if they're not actually destroying our water, I would have said anything. But if you're traveling and see something in some of the rivers, it's happening. So I think it's about time. But I understand that they're going to give them legal, if you can register legally, they'll show you where you can do it. Then it's fine. Because I don't know if you do. I'm not to say you're going to spoil it. But the way things are going, it's getting out of hand.
Now, musicians.
Yeah, over to go.
You are one of them. At some point, you come together to create songs for national issues. Is there anything Ghanaians expecting within in the pipeline, especially?
And I think you can have it sort of it. Like you telling me I'm going to do something. I've done something for sanitation, and I did something for aid for some time, and I've done something for local government. So since you mentioned this one, I'm going to do something.
Welcome.
Thank
I'm
you,
looking
sir.
gorgeous.
Oh, correct, sir.
With fanfare befitting their service. Please, comrades, patrons, rest in peace. Faithful servants of the nation, Ghana. Thank you all. Amen. Respectfully, we now invite our Vice President, Her Excellency Nana Jen Oku Adjumam, for her tribute.
Activities, throwing up ideas in the interest of contributing to the national agenda. Your determination to succeed to the prospect of working more closely with me. I was even more excited by the prospect of learning from you. Yes, this is one more time to remind ourselves that man proposes, God disposes. My colleagues, I wish all of you peaceful rest. I thank each one of you for your examples of selflessness, commitment to duty, and your abiding belief.
By walking with humility, serving with courage, and loving without limits, just as you did. With all our love, your devoted children, Taiba Keniti Limuna, Umar Farouk Limuna, Hawa